Did you know eBay sellers lose more than $700 million every year to return fraud? And what's worse, just 4 scams account for almost all of it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how these scams work and how you can protect yourself with 3D sellers. Scam number 1, the empty box return. You ship an iPhone. The buyer sends back an empty box. Tracking shows it delivered, eBay auto-refunds them, and you lose everything. Scam number 2, the item swap. You send a perfectly working MacBook. The buyer has a broken one. They file an INAD, send you their dead unit, and you're stuck with a loss. Scam number 3, INAD abuse. A buyer simply changes their mind, but claims item not as described to avoid paying return shipping. You end up covering the cost. Scam number 4, the partial return. You send a camera bundle with 3 lenses. The buyer keeps the lenses, returns only the camera body, and claims missing parts. You lose valuable inventory. eBay's 2025 protections help a little, but they're still limited. That's why the real defense is strong documentation and systematic case management. And that's exactly what 3D Sellers gives you. Here's how 3D Sellers protects you. The moment a buyer opens a return, it automatically appears inside your 3D Sellers help desk inbox. The system pulls every important detail: what the buyer purchased, what you paid, and even the buyer's previous return history. This part is critical. If a buyer has opened multiple returns in the last 60 days, you'll see it instantly. If they've returned 3 items in 2 months, that's a pattern, and you want to document that. Inside the case, you can add internal notes and attach everything: your pre-shipping photos, serial number documentation, and links to your cloud storage. Your entire team now has instant access to all the evidence you need in case the return goes bad. Next, you can set up automated return messages. For example, when you accept a return, the system can automatically send this message: returns are inspected upon arrival. Please return the item in its original condition with all accessories. I maintain photo and video documentation of all shipments. That one sentence stops about 60% of scammers because they know you're recording everything. If a case looks suspicious, you can tag it as potential fraud. Then set a reminder for when the package should arrive so you never miss a deadline. And if you manage multiple eBay accounts, US, UK, or Canada, you'll love this part. All return cases from every account show up in one unified dashboard. Nothing gets lost, nothing slips through, and your workflow stays clean. And that's how you protect yourself from the 4 biggest types of eBay return fraud. With 3D Sellers, your return cases are organized, documented, and monitored, all from one place. Try 3D Sellers free for 7 days and start protecting your business today. Linked below.